2025 Yamaha R9. It's 4,000, just over 4,000 miles on it. It was in a wreck, and we are going to tear it down. Let's see how it goes. Took the side fairing off. There's another bolt over here. And drained the fuel. Disconnected the battery. Still working on the fairing, removing the side fairing. A little bit more bolts than I expected, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, got the left side fairing off. Now it's time to disconnect a couple of harnesses. Drain some fluid, remove some pegs, and we'll be back. Just took the fairings off. About the wiring harnesses are unplugged. Time to take the tank off and get a little bit deeper in. Loosen these bolts for the tank right here. And it was a 4mm hex bolt. Allen. I'm about to remove the tank now. Tank is almost off. I just gotta remove these clips, these two hoses, and the fuel pump clip, and the fuel pump wiring down here. So to take the fuel pump hose off, you just gotta get a small screwdriver under here, pry this down a little bit gently. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but it will come off. There it is. Tank off. I took the Allen bolts off, all 4 of them, for the fuel pump. Then this just kind of wiggles out. Got the tank off. Let's focus on the front end now. A little bit more on the plastic, which I believe it's going to be a couple bolts. Okay, the upper was off, a couple screws. Gave me a little hard time because some of the brackets were bent from the accident. But there's a light control. Just pull this down. This gets removed. We'll do a little bit more wiring harness removal and take it from there. Dash is gonna come out. 2 more Allens right here. There it is. There's the computer or dashboard. That's going to come out. And then we'll finish up with the fairing stay and the headlight. Fairing stay has been up, removed. Tank removed. Most of the plastics. But in pieces. So drain the coolant. Now it's time to take the radiator off, which is a couple bolts. Again, it's probably going to be the same 4mm hex. And this one right here. We'll take that off. Got the radiator removed. So now we're going to start working on the exhaust. Take the springs off. And these 12mm bolts, 8 of them. 6 of them, I'm sorry. 2, 4, 6. Exhaust is off. So I'm gonna start working towards the wiring harness a little bit. I removed the air box already, but I'm gonna start disconnecting some wiring. See where it takes us. Took a lot of the wiring off. It's not as easy as it looks with one hand, but again, we're getting somewhere. Here's most of the wiring. Took a little bit, but the wiring's finally out. Start working on the handlebars now. Again, 4 mils right here for the clip-on. It holds the clip-on. This is a 5. Start taking some engine covers off. Triples removed, wiring's removed, subframe is removed. I'm gonna take the wheel off now. Got the wheel off. Got the covers off, and I'm gonna take the clutch out now. Okay, remove the clutch, work on the shocks and the swing arm next, and then the forks. We'll see where we're at with that. Loosen a couple motor mount bolts. One down here. Right here. Loosen them. These Allens right here. And loosen the fork nut. And we're about to bring it down.